Welcome to the top picks. The best electric razor brush is probably one of the most versatile grooming tools you can add to your routine, offering a superior clean and exfoliation that manual methods often miss, ensuring a smoother shave and healthier skin with every use, making it an indispensable gadget for anyone serious about their personal care. Number 5. VOGCREST Eyebrow and Facial Trimmer, Rose Gold. Experience gentle and painless hair removal with this device. It's designed for daily use on sensitive areas like your eyebrows, upper lip, cheeks, chin, and neck, effectively removing peach fuzz and fine hair. Achieve smooth, bump-free skin without nicks or irritation. This tool removes unwanted hair closely and gently, ensuring a comfortable and effective grooming experience every time. Its mini, electric design makes it incredibly convenient to carry. This makes it the perfect companion for your home, travels, and business trips, ensuring you're always ready. The integrated LED light helps you see every detail, ensuring no hair is missed. This feature enhances precision, allowing for a smoother makeup application afterwards. Enjoy convenient USB charging and peace of mind with our lifetime guarantee. We're confident in its quality and offer a hassle-free return policy for any product defects. What we like. This device offers a gentle and painless hair removal experience, perfect for delicate areas like the face and eyebrows. Its built-in LED light ensures you don't miss any hair, even in tricky spots. If you are looking for a convenient and discreet way to maintain smooth skin on the go, this is the ideal choice for travel or daily touch-ups. What people say. The facial hair remover is gentle and truly painless, even on sensitive areas like the upper lip and chin. It removes hair cleanly without pulling or leaving my skin irritated. The built-in LED light is actually useful and helps catch fine hairs I usually miss. It's also quiet, easy to clean, and compact enough to throw in a bag for travel. This worked amazing straight out of the box. Perfect speed and accuracy. Did not irritate my sensitive skin or pull the hair out, but left a clean line for my eyebrows. Left my upper lip smooth and my chin hair free. Number 4. Patelai 8-piece electric shaver cleaning brush set. Introducing the Patelai 8-piece electric shaver cleaning brush set. These small brushes are designed to keep your grooming tools in pristine condition. With their mini size, these brushes are incredibly easy to carry and store. They are perfect for travel or everyday use at home or in the barber shop. Crafted from sturdy PP material, these brushes are built to last. The non-shedding bristles and durable quality ensure a thorough clean every time. The non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip for effortless operation. Reach even the hardest to clean corners with ease. These brushes are not just for shavers and trimmers. They are also perfect for cleaning keyboards and other household appliances, making them truly multifunctional. Each package includes 8 black, double-sided cleaning brushes. Their soft yet durable bristles are ideal for detailed cleaning. What we like. This set provides a generous pack of 8 mini cleaning brushes, designed for effective cleaning of your electric shavers and trimmers. Their compact size makes them incredibly easy to carry and store, perfect for travel or keeping your grooming tools pristine at home. If you need a reliable and portable solution for maintaining multiple shavers or clippers, this multifunctional set is a great value. What people say. They clean my electric razor very well. Slim brushes to use after your original one is worn out. Can be used on other items to clean small tight places. Exactly what you need. They work well and are not flimsy. They are sturdy and last a long time. Number 3. GFDesign Electric Shaver Cleaning Brushes Set. Keep your shaver in pristine condition with this convenient cleaning set. Designed for ease of use, it makes maintaining your razor a breeze. This set includes 2 distinct brush styles to tackle all your cleaning needs. Each brush is perfectly sized for comfortable handling and effective cleaning. No matter the brand of your electric shaver or razor, these brushes are designed to work with them all. Achieve a thorough clean every time. You'll receive a total of 8 cleaning brushes in this comprehensive set. With 4 pieces of each style, you'll have plenty for regular maintenance. Featuring durable nylon bristles, these brushes effectively remove debris without causing damage. The sturdy PP handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip. This set comes in a classic black color, adding a touch of style to your grooming accessories. It's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. What we like. This set includes 8 cleaning brushes with 2 different styles, offering a convenient way to clean all your shavers and razors. Their size is optimized for ease of use, ensuring a thorough clean every time. If you own shavers from various brands and want a dedicated, effective cleaning tool that fits comfortably in your hand, this set is an excellent option. What people say. The nylon bristles are firm enough to remove stuck hairs and residue but gentle enough to avoid damaging the blades. The PP handles are comfortable to grip and make precise cleaning easy, even in tight spots. This set gives you multiple brushes so you always have a clean one ready. Number 2. BlingKingdom Electric Shaver Cleaning Brush, Black. Experience the difference with our high-quality nylon bristles. They are designed to be gentle on your blades while ensuring durability and preventing shedding. Our brushes feature 2 effective head designs to easily tackle hair, stubble, and debris. Reach every nook and cranny for a thorough clean. These cleaning tools are perfectly sized at 2.4 inches, making them lightweight and easy to carry. Their ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable and precise grip for effortless cleaning. They work seamlessly with most major shaver brands like Philips, Norelco, Braun, and Remington. Use them not just for shavers, but also for trimmers, keyboards, and other small electronics. Get a pack of 10 replacement cleaning brushes, ensuring you always have one ready when you need it. Keep all your grooming devices and small electronics in top condition. What we like. With 10 brushes featuring effective dual head designs, this set is perfect for detailed cleaning of shavers, trimmers, and even other small electronics. They are designed to remove hair, stubble, and debris from even hard-to-reach areas. If you need a bulk supply of versatile cleaning brushes that work with most major shaver brands and can tackle various cleaning tasks, this is a practical choice. What people say. These shaver brushes work very well for cleaning my electric shaver. The fact that there's 10 in the package means I won't have to buy these again for a long time. They have brushes on both ends, which turned out to be handier than I thought it would be. The bristles work well, not too soft and not too hard, so the whiskers inside the razor are easily swept away. These brushes are durable and work better than the one that came with my razor. Number 1. MERIDIAN the Trimmer Original. Forget the fear of nicks and irritation. Our ceramic blade trims safely above the skin, preventing burns, bumps, and ingrown hairs for a smooth finish everywhere. This waterproof trimmer handles wet hair effortlessly without clogging. Whether you're trimming in the shower or at the sink, your grooming routine just became much simpler. It tackles all hair types, from thick to fine, curly to coarse. Designed for every body, it provides fast and fearless grooming wherever you need it. With adjustable guides and a cordless design, this sleek trimmer is shock-resistant and ready for anything. Take it anywhere and groom on your terms, anytime. We aim to simplify self-care with well-designed tools that simply work. Whether for comfort, confidence, or clean lines, it has you covered. What we like. This trimmer is engineered for a smooth, irritation-free grooming experience, eliminating the fear of nicks, burns, and ingrown hairs. Its 100% waterproof design allows for convenient use in the shower or sink, and it effectively handles all hair types and lengths. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one body groomer for sensitive skin and versatile use, this is the tool for you. What people say. It cuts so close and never cuts me. It rarely pulls a hair, which is to be expected. Other than that, the blade it's still like new. The battery lasts quite a long time, about 30 minutes, which is enough to get everything I need done. The charge does go away, leaving it in a drawer, but charges in about 30 to 45 minutes. It's very durable and is rigid. Zero cuts, nicks, or pulls in sensitive area. Product seems to be high quality and easy to use. This trimmer is simply amazing. Before, any time I would do below the belt maintenance, I would become extremely itchy, would easily get nicks, cuts, and it would be next to impossible to get things completely presentable. After using the MERIDIAN trimmer, I have never had such a fantastic and stress-free weed whacking experience. As a guy, it was always a struggle to get certain angles while avoiding any slips or getting close enough to the skin to tidy up. The MERIDIAN effortlessly glides across every contour, bulge, and crevice. No aftershave itch or irritation. As I soon discovered, extreme precision is simply not needed. The structure of the blades protect while still affording an extremely close shave. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.